guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm participating in the challenge hosted by Coffee with My Sunshine, and her co-host for this month is Katie from The Handyman. Make sure you check out both of their channels. I will have them linked down below. And today's challenge is trash to treasure. So something that we would normally trash, we create treasure out of. I will have the challenges playlist down below, so make sure you check out the playlist after you're done watching my video. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. I would love it if you press that subscribe button and stuck around to see what my channel is all about. So without further ado, let's get started. For this project, I am going to use this piece of wood that was in a pile of wood that my husband's getting rid of. We have taken apart parts of our deck and replaced it with some new wood, and there's a huge pile of wood that we are getting rid of. So I took this piece before I went into trash to make something out of it. So I had cut off the parts with the screws in them, and then cut angles. Cut them into 3 pieces and cut angles so they kind of look like houses. And now I'm going to give them a good sanding with my sander. I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. So here they are, all nicely sanded, and I'm just going to give them a light coat of paint. And the paint that I'm using is the cocoa bean from chalked Rust-Oleum paint. They are all done. I'm going to let them dry before I move on to the next step. I'm going to decorate. I'm going to make gingerbread houses, so I'm going to use hot glue to give it a raised look. So I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing for all 3 of them. So here it is. It's all dry, but it's nicely raised, and I'm going to add some white paint. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the forest. I'm trying to tell you in every way, but now get it done. I'm not going away. And right around. So I think I'm going to add some fake snow to them as well. So here they are. I think they turned out so cute. They would have been fine without the snow. I think the snow just makes them look a little bit like angry men, but I kind of like it. So I would like to thank Casey and Katie for hosting this challenge. I enjoy participating in these type of challenges, as you know if you watch my channel. And I hope you guys take the time and check out the playlist. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.